Happy birthday, Lolo! I hope you enjoy your day today filled with joy, good health, and happiness. Though I might not be there with you, I celebrate with you in spirit, and I thank God for another year in your life. And I thank you for your hard work. Because of your hard work, we are able to live a comfortable life. And whenever we're there in the Philippines, you always make sure to take good care of us with good food. And I really appreciate that. And I think we all appreciate that from you. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying your day today. And happy birthday. We love you and we miss you. And I pray that God will give you countless blessings. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Hello, Lolo Papsi. Happy and blessed birthday to you. Truly, God has been so good and gracious to you, that He has blessed you with long life, because it says there in Psalms chapter 91, verse 16, that with long life I will satisfy him. I pray that God will continue to give you a longer life, that He will continue to strengthen you, prosper you, and bless you, and protect you from all disease or illnesses that may come upon you. And I just pray that both you and Lola continue to love each other, and that you will continue to be patient towards each other. And I just thank you that you have brought 5 children and 13 apostles to this world. So I just want to end with this, that the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord face shine upon you and be gracious to you. And the Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. So I love you, Lolo Papsi, and I miss you, and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Lola. Am I pretty? But I love you and I miss you. I pray that you stay healthy, and I pray that you have a long and happy life. And I pray for more blessings to come.
That was for you, Lolo. Happy birthday, and I wish you more stronger health and more years to come. Again, happy 75th birthday, Lolo. God bless, and I wish to see you again. Happy birthday. Love you. Mahal kita.
Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy 75th birthday, Lola Papsi. I hope you're having a great day at your birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Papsi. The best father para kay Asi. The best grandfather para sa kanyang mga apo. At the best na father-in-law para sa akin. And I hope that you're having a good time po today. Enjoy your special day, and may you have more birthdays to come. And sana po ay lagi kayong nasa mabuti ang inyong health, higit sa lahat. At sana po ay lagi kayong masaya at bigyan po kayo ng kapayapaan ng Panginoon. Kapayapaan na nagmumula sa Panginoon. Happy birthday po ulit, Papsi. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo Papsi!
Happy birthday, Lola! Thank you for buying us Carabao Smile. I wish you have a nice birthday. Thank you for always giving us a ride when we're there. And I wish you will have a long life and have a nice birthday.
Thank you for always making us breakfast when we're there. God bless you.
Thank you for always buying us our fruits and vegetables, and we wish that you have a longer life and that you'll stay strong and healthy. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo!
Happy birthday, Lola! Birthday! Happy birthday, Lola! Thank you for being the best grandfather I have in my whole life. I pray that you will have a long life with your loved ones. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lolo! Ay, birthday! Birthday! Birthday!
Papsi, happy birthday. Ayan, igigreet ka na ng kamukha mong anak. Okay? Happy birthday. Ayan, pasensya ka na mag-isa lang ako dito sa video na to kasi natutulog na yung mga bata. Maaga kasi pasok tsaka ni Ivan. So, ayan, mabatiin ko lang kita ng happy birthday. I-enjoy mo lang tong araw na to dahil para sa yung araw na to. Ayun, ang wish ko lang, nawa ay maging masaya ka palagi. Iwasan ng stress sa buhay. Laging tatandaan na God is good all the time. At saka yun, good health. Ayan. Long life. Ayun, mahal na mahal kita. Namimiss ko na kayo ni Mamsi. Ayun. Lagi mong tatandaan yan, okay? Mag-exercise ka dyan, ha? Ayun. I love you, Papsi. I miss you. Kikita din tayo.